Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Ever wished you could play Clash of Clans on a big screen? Imagine managing your village, deploying troops, and planning attacks with the precision of a mouse and keyboard. Good news, it is totally possible, and actually pretty straightforward for 2025. We will show you the updated way to bring your favorite mobile strategy game to your computer for a much richer experience. Since Clash of Clans is a mobile-first game, running it on a personal computer requires a special environment. This is where Android emulators come in. They create a virtual Android device right on your computer, allowing you to install and run mobile apps just like on a phone or tablet. For 2025, BlueStacks remains the most popular and reliable option, offering excellent performance and compatibility for your gaming needs. First things first, head over to the official BlueStacks website to download the latest version. The installation process is just like any other software on your PC. Simply follow the easy on-screen prompts. Once installed, you will need to log in with your Google account. This step is crucial because it connects your emulator to the Google Play Store, letting you access all your favorite apps and games, including Clash of Clans. With BlueStacks ready, open the Google Play Store from within the emulator and search for Clash of Clans. Download and install it just as you would on your phone. Once the game loads, make sure to link your existing Supercell ID. This ensures all your progress is synced and safe. You can also dive into the emulator settings to optimize performance, adjusting things like allocated RAM or CPU cores for a much smoother gameplay experience. Now you can enjoy Clash of Clans on your big monitor, with the precision of a mouse for troop deployment and hotkeys for spells. It also makes multitasking easier, letting you switch between your game and other PC activities seamlessly. Remember to keep both Clash of Clans and your emulator updated for the very best performance and features. Enjoy dominating your opponents with a whole new level of control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.